Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Netflix email address. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open the app, and after that click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Go after that and click on Account. Just wait for a few seconds, and after that in the security, as you can see, it will show you password, and after it you will see your email, and this is the email used for your account. So in case you want to change it, you have just to click on it, and after that click like on email code. It will send you email in a few seconds to your email address. So for example, this is for me 016046. Click submit, and as you can see, I can change my email address from here. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you